to Atlanta, and now I send them back to Boston in my stead. Texas is a whole other country. Atlanta, it's so hot. It's hot Atlanta in the summer. Baby, 22 days, triple-digit temperatures. Your face melts off your skull at the end of August. That's hot. You will leave town without knowing who the next head coach of the Atlanta Falcons are. That's okay. The only coach you need to know is Charlie Strong. Your new professional team, University of Texas. Barbecue is beef. It is not pork. You will learn it and you will love it. There are many places to eat in Austin. Believe me, I've tried most of them. Amy's Ice Cream. Amy's Ice Cream is your friend. And never forget, Labor Day is Dragon Con in Atlanta.